how to change language in Capcut PC. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to Capcut on your PC. And after that, here in Capcut dashboard, okay, go to upper right side on your screen and go to gear icon, okay? And now you can see here the settings. You'll have to do is go to settings. And the pop-up are show, okay, now you can see on the menu the language on the right side, okay? Click this. And now you can see the option of language. So you can scroll down for more. And for my example, I change my language into Filipino. And after that, click save. And another pop-up, to change language, you need to restart your Capcut. Okay, you'll have to do is click the restart button to restart your Capcut. And now my language is set into Filipino. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed language in Capcut PC.